So far the preparations have been fundraising, getting a car. I'll be driving a Subaru N10 in this year's WRC rally, and making sure I've got all my equipment, all my rally gear, and that it's all up to date. As you know, there's an expiry date on all your equipment as well. So there's quite a lot to do. I believe this year's rally is going to be one of the most exciting WRC safari rallies, especially because we're going to have one of the largest numbers of female drivers and navigators. My goal is just to finish and celebrate on the podium. This year's motto is driving for change. What does that mean? That means I'm giving back CSR. As a cancer survivor myself, I have decided this year that I am going to support the children with cancer at Kenyatta Hospital, the pediatric ward. So my pay bill for the fundraising account is on my Instagram, Lisa_Christoffersen. Your support would be highly appreciated. Driving for change, I have agreed that the 1,200 kilometers that this year's WRC Safari Rally is, for every kilometer, I've put a value of 1,000 Kenya shillings, which will be 1.2 million shillings minimum, to raise for children with cancer in Kenya. I founded Kenya's first all-women-only safari rally, the Lionesses, in 2022, and it was amazing because it's never been done on the continent. So this is the first time it's happened, and breaking boundaries in this male-dominant sport is very important. And I'm all about women empowering women. By taking charge of your life, you are steering in the direction, metaphorically, where you're supposed to be going in life. And I believe if you can survive as a rally driver in a sport as Safari Rally, you can survive anywhere.